Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV show and all things reality TV show stars. So, listen, you guys. After last week's 2 episodes of Uthando Nesthembu, and we watched what was said to be the Lobola negotiations for Umakwela at Umzumbe Kamadlala, and Usne being the one that was chosen by Musamseleku to go with Abakongi to, I guess, accompany them for Lobola negotiations. One comment that was like coming up multiple times under my videos was it's unheard of for a daughter to be the one that goes to negotiate ilobolo for their own father. And yeah, it came up multiple times. Also on other social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, people were talking about it. And one, you guys, I don't think that Usne was there to negotiate ilobola. I think she was accompanying Abakongi. And it's not unheard of to have intombazane accompanying Abakongi. Usually, kuba amantombazane two that are chosen from the family that would accompany Abakongi. They don't negotiate. They are there and they wait for that time. To put the clothes on umakoti idugu. They are there for that moment when they point out umakoti to this is umakoti. But they do come with the makoti. They will be family members, the cousins, whoever, but they will choose two girls that would go. I think it's just two for company, so it's not the only one. So it is weird that it is a daughter this time, but it's not unheard of that there would be a female from the family that would go. Now, with the Mselegus, you guys, this is how Mselegu explained why he was choosing Usne. He said that one, there is no sister. He doesn't have a sister. So he would have chosen Umpume if Umpume was around. And then he also said that he can't choose from his wives because his wives don't agree with him, And so I thought, but that would still be weird for you to use your wife because it would be weird for your wives to be the ones that go with Abakongi to Umcelo to whatever your Lebola negotiations. I think it will still be unheard of. But then I thought, and I also thought, but if the other three don't want to go, if you were going to use one of the three, then use Umacele then, because if you can't use Umacele, why would you say that you would have used the others? I feel like, you guys, he actually meant Umakhumalo because he says, I can't get these ones to go, but what he really meant was I can't get Umakhumalo to go. I think he had hoped that Umakhumalo would be the one to go. Why I say that, you guys, is because he has used Umakhumalo before in things like that, which was very weird. I feel like they do izinto kanjalo where like if family they don't do izinto that in the way that we understand them, because remember, you guys, when Umpilo back in season 1, season 2, when they were still talking about the fact that Umpilo needed to change her surname. And by the way, you guys, Mpilo graduated. She got herself a job. I think Mseleko is going to regret not paying the full tlawulo for Mpilo so that Mpilo can change her surname. Anyway, we'll talk about that in another video. Now, you guys, so guys, to be honest, because you remember when they were talking about inhlawulo kaMpilo, and they did go to pay inhlawulo because Umpilo kahle kahle wahlawulwa, guys, but akalotshulwanga, because they would say in order for you to change the surname of a child from the surname yakomalume to the surname of the father, you need to pay inhlawulo and then you need to lobola the child so that you can change the surname. You remember back when they were paying inhlawulo kaMpilo, do you remember who went to do the negotiations, which was so weird back then. When have you ever seen this? And remember, back then, uMakhumalo was not really, bekungekenziwa ngisho umembeso and all of that for her. But uMakhumalo went to be the one to pay inhlawulo kaMpilo. I remember how weird that whole thing went. It was uMakhumalo, it was uMpume. Usne didn't go because Usne was still deep in the up and down with boyfriends. It was uMakhumalo, it was uMpume, it was umlondi noma ubani ingane kaMpume. It was another uncle waka Duma. I actually wondered when I was watching that old scene if it's actually the uncle that molested Usne. It was the uncle, and yeah, that went to pay inhlawulo. And when they got there, the person that was talking was not even uMpume, because uMakhumalo should have been quiet. But the person that was talking was uMakhumalo. So umndeni wakaMseleko vele has not done things the way that normal people do izinto nje amaZulu, So kahle we shouldn't be shocked ukuthi uMseleko sent Usne with abakhongi there, because I think that had uMakhumalo been part of the snakes zamalobolo kaMakhwela, I think he would have sent uMakhumalo. So, and what happened there, you guys, was that I remember that they wanted the family yakomalume kaMpilo, they wanted more for inhlawulo. They kept on wanting more, befuna imvulo befuna this, befuna that. And uMakhumalo went outside with Mpilo's grandmother. And she actually bullied Mpilo's mother to accept what they were bringing for inhlawulo. Remember the scene when she took the grandmother outside of the house, and they were having a conversation with Mpilo's mom and Mpilo's grandmother, and Mpilo's mom decided to walk away from the conversation. I think that's when things went bad. And Makhumalo was basically gaslighting Mpilo's grandmother, and basically just bullying her to say, listen, you are going to take what we are bringing here, or otherwise we're not paying it. And they ended up accepting what they were bringing, and they ended up saying, now it's okay, you can change Mpilo's surname. That's the reason later on they changed, and they said, no, you can't change Mpilo's surname because you have not lobola Mpilo. And then Mseleko was like, but you agreed. But what they didn't realize was that they agreed after Makhumalo had bullied the grandmother in that scene where she called the grandmother behind the house and told her, if Mpilo end up engakwazi ukushintsha name, it will be your fault because you guys don't want to take into esiza nayo, and the grandmother was so under pressure at that time, and Mpilo had already walked out of the conversation, and the grandmother felt the pressure to say yes to whatever they were bringing. Now remember, the grandmother was under pressure because there's already cameras around, so she told the uncle to just accept whatever. After the cameras left, Mpilo called Makhumalo and said, listen, when it comes to Mpilo and into inhlawulo, I only want to speak to Mseleko, not you. And that's when things went bad. But Makhumalo was the negotiator of inhlawulo for her own husband. When have you ever heard of that? Okay, so I don't know why we are shocked that Usne was the one going with abakhongi. Not that she was negotiating, because I didn't see her really negotiating. She did make a comment in the diary session to say, yo, Pilavele bazobiza a lot of money just because it's my dad, it's in Mseleko, so they're going to. But I didn't see her negotiate the lobola. She was just sitting there listening, almost like a witness. But I do think that if Makhumalo was in agreement with what was happening, I think Mseleko would have sent to Makhumalo. And I think that if Mpume was available, it probably would have been Makhumalo no Mpume again, So Umdelo they don't do things according to the rules of us normal people. Benza nomi kanjani. So we actually shouldn't be shocked that it is Usne, considering that Mpume akekho and Makhumalo was not in agreement with what was happening. vele kuzoba kanjani. They just benza ngendlela, banama-traditions abo nje bona bodwa ngendlela benza ngayo, you know. The daughter negotiates for the father, the wife negotiates for, you know, I think Umsele wants to do things his own way. And if you involve abanye abantu, maybe there are people that would say no, but things are not done this way. So when he wants to do things his way, he wants to get people from the family that would do things exactly the way that he wants them to be done. And the way to do that is to send your family with the instructions that you want isn't to be done. That way it's the safest for him, because the only people that would do that is with his family. Anyway, you guys, tell me what you think about this in the comments section. Like the video before, we're gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.